Changing your phone number on Magento is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log into your Magento account. Access your Magento account by entering your username and password on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account details. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or My Account section in the main menu. Click on it to access your personal information settings. Step 3. Edit Contact Information. In Account Settings, find the section labeled Contact Information or Profile Information. Click on the Edit button next to this section to modify your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes and confirm that your new phone number has been successfully updated. After completing these steps, your phone number will be changed in your Magento account. Make sure to log out and log back in to verify that the changes have taken effect.